All right, so just want to quickly show you how you can create a certificate or a badge whenever a course is completed. This is for your memberships or courses that you have that you created inside of your 360 Ascension account. So what we're going to do is we'll go to memberships on the menu on the left. And then up here at the top, you'll see something that says credentials. So we'll click on credentials. And then this right here in the blue just kind of gives you understanding of certificates and badges. So the certificates, it just says give people something to show for completing milestones like a course, challenge, event, or training. Great for celebrating progress and building trust. Now, a badge is a quick visual reward for small wins, for smaller wins, like finishing a lesson, submitting a form, or passing a quiz. Badges can keep people engaged and motivated. So we have our templates here. This is what our first tab is, and then we have our issued certificate. So this just gives you a list of certificates that have been submitted out to the people that have completed a milestone like a course. And then we have our badges. So if they've completed like a lesson, you'll see who that was issued to. You can search by title here in the upper right-hand corner. You can also search by date as well too. So you can click on that. You can go back to like the last 30 days, last 180 days. You can select the time frame of who received what. All right. So what we want to do is we're going to hit click on create. All right, so now we want to do a certificate for this presentation. We're going to click on create a certificate, and then we can create one from scratch and we can name it, or we can do one from a actual template. So let's go to template so that way you can see what the options are that they have. So here are options for different templates. These are the ones that I've already created in the system for you. For here. So let's click on this one, the blue one, and then we'll hit create. All right. So here it provides us with the certificate. Here we can move some things around here. Kind of make this a little bit even. And then this is what your custom value is. So your custom value shows the contact's full name here. And then this is the rest of the information on here. But let's say if you wanted to change out some of the wording here, you can also change that out here. You can take everything out. Of course, this one is for employee of the month. So let's say if we wanted to change this to like student of the month, student of the month. All right, it's giving us a hard time right now. However, let's just erase it out of the month. All right. So we'll have that in here. We can change out the numbers in the images as well too. Let's see here. We have all of our images here. So you can pretty much customize the template as well too. So this is just like a starting point. This right now, middle end date. This right here pulls from the date of the current time. And then this also, you can customize with your name and the font here that's given here, you can put it in cursive, and then here's your print and then your title. As I stated before, this is a template, so you can also change different text, add headings, elements, different frames as well too. So if you want to change this frame, you can change that frame out. If you want to insert images, you can do that as well too. If you want to add a different signature line, you can do that here. You just drag and drop. Your background color, you can also change the background color over here. Right now it's blue. So you can change the background color, and then we can resize it as well too. That'll help with printing as well too. So you can also preview it here in the upper right hand corner. Here is the image of the certificate. So this is what your students or whoever that you are assigning the certificate to will see on their end. It'll show them the image of the certificate. It will also show the issue date, issued to, the issued by. It'll allow them to add it to the LinkedIn profile. They can download it. The issue date again, the expiration date, if you add an expiration date to this. And then it'll allow them to share their credentials on their social media networks as well too. So this is what they would see on their end as a student or a member of your membership program, or anyone that has access to a course that will end up receiving a certificate once they've completed something, such as a course. Now, one of the next videos that I'll be able to end up showing you is how to set up a badge.